Not all teachers are trained instructional designers. Many teacher preparation programs focus on learning pedagogies and how to use tools and curriculum resources. Think about how busy your own teaching program was. If you were lucky, instructional design might have been the focus of an entire course, but more likely it was a chapter or single topic within a larger course. The key difference between established instructional design models and most lesson and unit planning methods is that instructional designers start with the learner in mind. They consider what students need to know and be able to do, then craft instruction based on what students need to meet those goals. Students are different, so the paths they take and the resources and strategies they use can vary. Instructional design models can help organize those variations. There are established instructional design models you can rely on to support your conversations with teachers. Most K-12 educators have at least heard about the Backwards Design Model, Understanding by Design by Grant Wiggins and Jay McTighe. But do they truly know how to implement it or make their lesson design more efficient and effective? John Keller's ARCS model suggests you can use design to increase student motivation for learning. Some of your teachers may know about PBL models, the 5 E's used in many science classrooms, or other design frameworks.